Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to convert your normal TikTok account into Pro account.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on your profile icon from the lower right corner. Now tap on the three dot from the top right corner. From Privacy and Settings, tap on the first option, Manage My Account. From this page, tap on Switch to Pro Account. What will be the benefit of TikTok Pro account? A free Pro account gives you the tools to grow and track your performance. Tap on the button Continue. You can also find out how your videos perform and more about your followers. Again, tap on Continue. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on OK, Continue. You have to select a category to get customized analytics in the future. But this category won't be displayed publicly. Select any of this category. After that, tap on Done. That's it. You have switched your account into Pro account. Tap on OK. You will get a new option, Analytics. Tap on this. In Analytics, you will get overview about your video views and followers. You will also get information about the contents, including your videos or trending videos. You will also get information about your followers, including gender or top territories. So, in this way, you can switch your normal TikTok account into Pro account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.